it's me again, Daffodil. So today I will be doing an unboxing again for my Ktaxon professional aluminum makeup train case slash jewelry storage box traveling cosmetic organizer. That's a long description of this item. So I was really thinking of buying a makeup organizer before because I want something something neat for my makeup whenever I go traveling, or even I'm just here at home. I want it organized because right now it's so messy, and I have this like storage pouches right here that I bought from Walmart for I think that was 50 cents. This pink pouch right here for my makeups. So right now I'm going to try if it can fit inside this makeup organizer. So let's begin. Let's open it. So the brand is Ktaxon and the size is 14 by 9 by 10, and the color is pink. I bought this from walmart.com. This is it. So the purpose for this is I want to first organize my makeups, my beauty products, and also wanted to buy this ever since because I want to bring this whenever I go for traveling in the near future or when we go home to Canada. So I want something that's handy, be easily stored and portable, and I was really thinking if I could put this inside my luggage, but we'll see. We'll see if it will fit in a little bit. So open. And so according to the website description, it's made of aluminum alloy, and it has this 4 corners steel plate right here. Right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and right here, and it has also this plastic, what do you call this? Plastic stand. It doesn't have wheels, and it has this attached metal lock, and I'm not sure if it has a key. Oh yeah, it has a key. Oh no, this is not a key. This is the strap. If you want to use it as a like shoulder bag or sling bag, it has a strap, and it has a key, so you can lock it. What else? And there are plastic like plastic separators, so you could use the let's see it properly. You can separate your makeups like that. And oh my god, I lost it. So let's try the strap. Down. Hold it that way. There. Nice. It's not a bright pink, but I like the way it is. So let's try locking this cosmetic organizer. Here's the key. Locked now. You cannot open it anymore. It comes with 2 keys, by the way. to lock clockwise, to unlock counterclockwise. Okay, now let's begin putting all my stuff inside. You can remove the separators. This separates the inner base into 4, like that. I don't know if I can illustrate this one while I'm doing it this way, like that. It separates the base in this manner, 4 into 4 separations. But since I have this, this, and this, let's try it. Let's try it this way. No, it can only accommodate 4 of this small pouches. So let's try this. Shampoo, lotion, conditioner. Perfect. It has still like half of the space left. What about these? Are my, what's inside here are all my beauty products for my face. Wow, I like it very much. Wow, yay! So, I'm all ready for our vacation. Hopefully. So this time we're gonna try to put this inside the luggage. So this is the luggage. This is the second from the largest size I have. I have smaller than this and larger than this. So this is the second largest. Let's try putting this inside. If it will fit. It will still fit, however, you need to open the second, the extendable zipper. Oh no, even if you, oh yeah, you need to open the extension, extendable zipper. This part right here. You have to open it for the luggage to close. However, if you don't want to open the extended portion, you can, instead of storing it like that, you store it sideways. If you do it like that, I think you're going to like shake what's everything inside. We will check later what's going on, if it's like still in the right place. There. If you do it like that, then you don't have to open the extended portion of the luggage. There. So let's check. Let's check if the contents of the makeup organizer is still in its proper place, since I turn it on the side. Surprise! It's mixed up, but it's still in the compartments, which is good. Alright, I really like this makeup organizer actually. And did I mention already the price? I bought this for, what is it again? $32.82. So that's all. That's all for my video today. I hope you find it interesting and relevant, is just in case you are searching for a makeup organizer, traveling cosmetic organizer. So I like it. I really like it. I like the color. I like the weight. Oh, by the way, the weight is 2.75 kilograms. So it's still handy. That's all for my video today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bloomingly yours, Daffodil. Bye!